Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. The update for the moment is the MCC has released its counseling schedule for All India quota 50% deemed university, central universities, AFMC and DNB counseling process for round 1, round 2 and mop-up round. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about the counseling date, and before that, if you are looking for the paid counseling guidance, registration is still open. You can call us to the number given in the description, 9319128677. So the registration verification of the seat matrix by institutes will start on 24th and it will be up to 25th. Registration and payment, the registration for all India quota 50% or you are going for deemed universities, the registration will start on 25th of October and it will go on 29th. So you have got 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29, 5 days, and you have the timing up to 12 noon. You can do the registration and payment facility. Choice filling will be starting, both things will be going in parallel. On 26th the choice filling will start and you can do the choice filling up to 29th. Verification of internal candidates by the respective institutes, that is DU quota and other quota, will be done between 30th to 31st of October, and processing after you done the choice filling and choice locking, the processing will be done from 1st November to 2nd November. The result will be announced on 3rd. So you see, as I have mentioned that when they announce the schedule, you won't be getting so much of time to analyze and discuss about it. So if you haven't decided the planning and how you are going to do the counseling, where you want a seat and which is possible, then you must do it as soon as possible, because you won't be having so much of time. You need to do the choice filling, registration, all the routine process, and by 3rd you are expecting the first round result to be declared, and you get like 1 week of time from 4th to 10th of November to join and report to the seat the first round. And you can see the registration will have 5 days of window, choice filling 4 days of window, verification process 2 days of windows, seat allotment, that is 2 days, and result will be announced on 3rd, and you will have 7 days of window for reporting. Similarly, second round will start from 12th of 15th of November. The registration process will start and you have the option to do the fresh registration. The first round is free exit round. It means you can take the seat or you may leave the seat. Even you take the seat in first round, all the rules that I mentioned in previous video will apply. In second round, you can go for upgradation, transfer of non-reporting and non-joining vacant seats to a state quota. That will be happening on 2nd of December. Okay. After second round, all India 50% seats which is left over will be transferred to their corresponding states, but still you can continue with the DNB, central universities and deemed university further rounds, that is called mop-up round. So you can have a look at this schedule, and it's very important, since now we have got the schedule published for MCC by MCC, which conducts the most of the center level counseling process, like NEET 50% all India, 100% deemed university seats, and central university seats, 100% AFMC seats, and 100% DNB seats. And then you can expect very quickly the updates will be coming and notification will be coming from state side as well. After the result is declared, that is on 3rd of November, after that date only you can expect some result to be coming from state counseling authority. Pondicherry in Tamil Nadu state has had started the registration earlier. Still you have time to register for Tamil Nadu state, but the registration is closed for Pondicherry. But you can expect to get the result from Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry states or any other state after 3rd of November. First the result will be announced from MCC and you decide whether you got the seat, you want to leave the seat or you want to join, and then only your state counseling result will be announced. So this is very important update, and we have been waiting for this update for a long time. We were trying to relate it from Supreme Court decision pending in OBC and EWS, but irrespective of that decision, the MCC had decided to publish its schedule and we have like hearing on 28th of October. Irrespective whether the result comes out of that hearing or this schedule might get altered depending on the further proceeding. They have announced the schedule for first round, second round on mop-up round, but as we have seen in last few years, depending on the current progress, they alter the schedule for further rounds as well. Okay, but this video is going to be very important. You note your date, and all those paid members, you need to be like a little bit patient, because we are going to update the choice preference in the all-in-one sheet that we have provided for deemed universities, DNB, and all India, as we receive the seat matrix based on the new entries, new government colleges, new seats or new branches added in existing colleges, new seats in DNB. We are going to update, so don't get panic. You will get all the things before time, and before your choice filling starts. You have 4 days of time for choice preference filling, and I request all of you to be in very comfortable mode during choice preference, because that choice preference is the only thing that you provide to counseling authority, and based on choice preference you get the seat allotted. So no matter how much planning, how much research work you do, if you do a simple mistake in choice preference, that's all your hard work is gone. Okay, so you create a list. Okay, and we will also provide list, and just discuss with discuss with us, and you create the final list and you do the choice filling and all such things. For those candidates who are like have not subscribed our paid membership, they still have option to subscribe to paid membership, so that they get a chance to get best possible result of the from the best possible outcome from this counseling process. We will be supporting you not in round 1, round 2, up to mop-up round for other state counseling round, and for further steps where CPS and diploma, DNB diploma counseling process will commence. So we'll keep you updating about all such things, but officially the process has started. The registration is yet to start from 25th, but you keep everything ready. Any discussion that you need to do, you can discuss with our counselors and get it finalized. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a great day. Goodbye and take care.